Yes, welcome today. My name is Peter. Once again, this is where we learn Luganda from. This is the channel where we always learn Luganda. And for by the way, if you need a very good video or very good videos on how to teach Luganda, how Baganda behave, how can you survive when you come to Uganda for the first time, this is the right place where you have to keep on checking, and you look for these videos where I teach Luganda from. My name is Peter. Thank you for coming. And for today, I think now let's learn how to order for a meal. I think that's a good thing. You know, you're new to you're a visit to Uganda. You don't know Uganda, but you are in Uganda also. But you have visited a hotel where people are speaking Luganda, but you would like to speak. To order for a meal in Luganda. I think today's video is going to help you. Just keep on watching. My name is Peter. Let me come back in the meantime. Like I told you in previous videos, in Uganda or in Buganda, when we go to a new place, what we have to do first is to greet those people we found there. We greet those people we found there so that we can start that kind of communication in a good manner. Okay, so when you go to a hotel, a restaurant, any place where they serve food, or even if it's an office, but it's your first time to go there, or you visit a new place, what you have to do is to greet those people you find there. So before you make an order for what you want to eat, you have to greet those people you found there. Okay, and I told you in the previous videos how to greet. Checking those videos up there. And at the end of this video, you're going to see those videos where I taught how to greet in Luganda. Okay, so now let's pop into the video. So when you visit a hotel in Uganda, most of the times those people who are serving in the hotel, they will ask you first. Okay, they'll greet you before you, or they'll ask you first before you make an order, because it is their work to serve you. Okay, so they will be like they will welcome you and all that stuff, and then they will ask you. For example, they will say, "What can I give you?" In Luganda, they will say, "Ngweyochi." So if you are a lady, they will say, "What can I give you, madam?" Ngweyochi nyao. Or, "What can I give you, sir?" Ngweyochi sebo. Okay? So, but if it's you who asked first, before then, you will say, after greeting, you will say, "Olinayo merechi." Olinayo merechi. What type of food do you have? Olinayo merechi. What type of food do you have? It is either way. It can be you first to ask, or them to ask you first. If those people to ask you, they will say, "What can I give you, sir or madam?" If you're a man, they will say, "What can I give you, sir?" Nkweyochi sebo. If you're a lady, they will say, "What can I give you, madam?" Nkweyochi nyabo. So before you make an order, you have to ask, what type of food do they have? Okay? Because you'll be there need a hot dog when they don't have hot dog in Uganda. So because those lower hotels down, they don't serve hot dog, they don't have that some kind of foods. And actually it depends in the region where you are. You can come and ask for kalo in central Uganda. It is not common, though it is there. So you need to ask what type of food do they have before you make an order. And then you say, what type of food do you have? Olinayo merechi. Olinayo merechi. In Uganda, some people, they don't have menu. That paper where they arrange what they have in the kitchen. Okay, so what they will do, they will tell you what they have offhand. For example, you will say, what type of food do you have? Olinayo merechi. So that the waiter or waitress will tell you verbally, like we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. So it's you to listen and choose. That is when you go to a place where they don't have a menu. Okay? So they will tell you things they have offhand. For example, let's say they have banana and rice. For food, they have banana and rice. So they will say, ninayo amatooke n'omuceere. Ninayo amatooke n'omuceere. Okay? In English it is, I have banana and rice. I have banana and rice. Okay? Ninayo amatooke n'omuceere. I have banana and rice. Now you ask, you talk about the sauce. You'll be like, ate enva. How about sauce? Ate enva. How about sauce? And they say, ninayo ennyama, enkoko, n'ebinyeebwa. They'll have many, but for a video, I'm giving those few. Ninayo ennyama, enkoko, n'ebinyeebwa. It is, I have meat, chicken, and peanut sauce. I have meat, chicken, and peanut sauce. Okay? So, in Buganda or in Luganda, ennyama, it is beef, meat, whether it is from a goat, from a snake. Of course, in Uganda, I don't eat snakes, but I'm trying to summarize the thing. From goat, it's a nyama. From pig, it's a nyama. From goat, it's a nyama. From a cow, it's a nyama. From a camel, it's a nyama. So, to differentiate all that, we add on that animal where they got that meat from. For example, ennyama y'ente. In English, it is beef. Ennyama y'ente, that is beef. So when in Luganda, to differentiate, you have to add that animal. Ennyama y'ente, that is from a cow. Ennyama y'embizzi, that's from a pig. Ennyama y'embuzi, that is from a goat. Ennyama y'endiga, that is from a sheep. Ennyama y'engamiya, that's from a camel. So that's the only difference. So they'll tell you that, and then you select. Okay? Ninayo ennyama y'enkoko, ennyama y'ente. Okay? So now they will just say, ninayo ennyama, enkoko, n'ebinyeebwa. I have meat, chicken, and peanut sauce. We go to a drink. You say, how about drinks? What do you have? Ate ekyokunywa olinayo ki? How about a drink, or how about drink? What do you have? Ate ekyokunywa olinayo ki? So they will be like, ninayo soda, obutunda, n'amazzi. Ninayo soda, obutunda, n'amazzi. I have soda, passion fruit, juice, and water. I have soda, passion fruit juice, and water. That is, ninayo obutunda, ninayo soda, obutunda, n'amazzi. I have soda, passion fruit juice, and water. So now, after hearing all that, now you can make your order, okay? Because they have break down everything they have in the hotel or restaurant. So now they will be like, ndeetera omuceere, enkoko, n'obutunda. Ndeetera omuceere, enkoko, n'obutunda. Bring me rice, chicken, and passion fruit juice. Bring me rice, chicken, and passion fruit juice. Before they go for that order, it is important to know how much you're going to pay before they bring that food. Because you may find it is very expensive beyond your wallet. Okay? So now you have to say, nsasula sente meka. How much do I pay? Nsasula sente meka. How much do I pay? Okay? I think, let me end here for today, and I think today it was very, very important and useful for you. So now when you come to Uganda next time, or when you want to eat from Ugandan restaurants, That's how we can make order from using Luganda words, and I think it's very simple for me and for you. So now, what you have to do for me, and please subscribe. I need your subscription, please. Hit that subscribe button and encourage other people to subscribe on this YouTube channel to give me power, and energy to upload more videos. My name is Untitled Chapter. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao.